Imagine if in just 1 year you could turn AI from a buzzword into your personal ATM. Sounds crazy? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now. People are making thousands of dollars a month, not by coding apps or inventing robots, but by mastering a few specific AI skills that companies are desperate to pay for. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly which 5 AI skills you can start learning today to start earning in 2026 and how to turn them into real cash fast. Here's the thing, AI is only as good as the prompts it gets. Think of it like hiring a chef. You can give them random ingredients, or you can give them a recipe that turns into a Michelin star meal. Prompt engineering is that recipe. Companies are now paying freelancers $500 to $2,000 per month just for creating optimized prompts for content creation, marketing campaigns, and even sales emails. Example: someone wrote 20 prompts for a YouTube channel that turned into 50 viral videos in a month. That freelancer charged $1,500. Boom. Skill learned, cash earned. But here's where it gets interesting. Prompt engineering is not just about asking AI to write a post. You need to understand context, tone, and the psychology of engagement. That's what separates the amateurs from the pros. Ever wonder why some emails make you buy and others don't? AI copywriting is the secret sauce. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai can generate ad copy, landing pages, and social media posts in seconds, but you need to know how to guide it. Freelancers are charging $300 to $1,000 per campaign just for writing AI-assisted copy. And here's a pro tip. Combine AI with data analytics. Look at the engagement metrics, tweak the prompts, and suddenly your copy doesn't just write itself, it sells. Companies are desperate for this because content is king, but they don't have the time or expertise to optimize AI. That's where you step in. Here's a shocker. Videos now make up 80% of internet traffic, and creating them manually? Expensive and slow. Enter AI video tools. Platforms like Pictory, Runway, and Synthesia let you create professional videos with zero camera skills. Freelancers are making $1,000 to $5,000 per month managing AI video production for businesses. From explainer videos to YouTube content, it's a skill that scales. The magic trick? Combine AI with storytelling. AI can generate the visuals, but you provide the narrative that keeps viewers glued. Imagine having a salesperson who works 24/7, never complains, and doesn't ask for a paycheck. That's AI marketing automation. Tools like HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, and AI chatbots allow you to automate email funnels, social campaigns, and customer interactions. Freelancers who know how to set up AI-driven funnels are getting $2,000 to $10,000 per client. And here's the key: don't just set it up, optimize it. Monitor open rates, test headlines, and tweak chat sequences. Every small improvement can double or triple conversions, which means more money for you and your client. You don't need to be a traditional designer anymore. AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo can generate stunning visuals in minutes. Businesses pay for logos, social media posts, book covers, and NFT art created by AI. Pro tip: specialization is your friend. Don't try to be a generalist. Pick one niche, like social media branding or YouTube thumbnails, and become the AI expert there. Freelancers are making $500 to $3,000 per project because the demand for high-quality, fast AI-assisted design is exploding. AI isn't just creative, it's analytical. Learning AI-driven data analysis means you can help businesses understand their sales, customer behavior, and market trends in a fraction of the time it takes manually. Freelancers are earning $1,000 to $4,000 per month creating AI dashboards, predictive models, and insight reports. The trick? Learn the AI tools that integrate with Excel,
SQL, and visualization software. Companies will pay you to interpret the data, not just collect it.
Businesses hate inefficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks like email responses, data entry, and even bookkeeping. Freelancers who set up AI automation are essentially selling time, and time is money. Case study. A freelancer automated a client's customer support and internal reporting using AI. The client saved 200 hours per month and paid $3,500 for the setup. That's a 200x ROI for them and pure profit for you. SEO is evolving, and AI is now a top tool for keyword research, content ideation, and link building. Freelancers are earning $1,500 to $5,000 per month optimizing AI-assisted content strategies. Here's the hack. AI can generate content ideas based on trending topics, competitor analysis, and search intent. You then curate and tweak it. It's not magic, it's strategy plus AI, and businesses are paying top dollar for anyone who can get them ranked before their competitors. Beyond the big AI skills, there are niche tools for real estate, finance, e-commerce, and healthcare. Freelancers who specialize in these niches are in high demand because fewer people understand them. Example, AI tools that generate real estate listings or analyze stock market patterns. Knowing just one niche can make you a go-to expert, and clients pay premiums for that. Here's the secret most people miss. AI changes every 6 to 12 months. The skills that make money today may evolve tomorrow. The real skill is learning to adapt. Follow AI communities, experiment with new tools, and keep building your portfolio. Freelancers who treat AI like a living, evolving skill are the ones making $10,000 plus months consistently. The takeaway? You don't need a coding degree or a fancy office to make serious money with AI. Focus on mastering these 5 core skills: prompt engineering, AI copywriting, video production, marketing automation, and AI design, and specialize. Combine that with continuous learning, and you're no longer chasing trends, you're setting them. If you're ready to start turning AI into income, pick one skill today, dive deep, and start offering it to clients immediately. And if you found value in this video, check out my next one, where I break down how to land your first AI client in 7 days and start earning while you sleep. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next AI money hack.